Okay, Yachia Ghana this year, will be about GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno, and Sempa Ahimfi Sports Mwahim Bobuano, Poke Krakwan so, and I yedi Asia, and I be win kunim dear. So, Shannon so, Emma me say, yet must say, information, vivid one, up to speed, and yadini Yanano, as so many Derek, Saint, Kizito, me that say, when I mean a D Asia Munene, a Santico game, I'm name a Giama Sporting Club, elbow over the weekend, Emunche munyina na yeba besi ne koso yeberam ewo Mediama Sporting Club one preparation omudi be hia kotoko and afenso yeba be concentrate much more ewo Asante kotoko nso wona ho siesie omayon week munyina mostly Thursday Friday training omoyeye yede ni nyina yeba beto anim yensen training na naba Kwame Gracious why gracious to adwuma no ogina ho kama what information nyina yeba ma yewia yenwie yadi Asante Kotoko squad ekwako piemu ewo takwa ene ne na abo so ho nkyeremu nyina no ebe ma tiefo nti quickly kame ho na me so menka ho ne enko piem na yeni nkomo na yene enu na naba Kwame Gracious ene ebo nkomo na naba yemwa ye chechia adwo ni nyina ekeka bom depending on the time baby obi wa o hwe
yes
bibi abako
me gemo so me giri Nyankopon dom oba ha de bibia obia ho ye obia ho ye ewa ha sei
nice one yen shase mwadwuma den Asante Kotoko una oye authorized in Centrania they say udi team nachi ede ko ede ba information nyina ona kita wa ode team ya na for GH Live Studio say ena Kotoko preparation ahead of Mediama no esi etie.
Okay, Kotoko preparation very good. After say omo any baby any go start. A ball omo a game in the way Ghana Premier League match day 15. After say Kotoko a ball sa game in the way ya omo a win against baby any go start no. Tuesday ana omo a resume training na omo a recovery training in kakanga and so on from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, any Friday. Ni nyina na me wo eja na me witness training na Krobio Kumase Asante Kotoko omo enti update se do di kankan ni nyina ekutami ya me nyina ediba be ku from ama ya hwefo ne etiefo enso ehu sene etie ewo Kotoko omo training grounds na uko Tuesday na mamni kan from free Tuesday no efa mure mu a medu ene train na Krobio Kumase Asante Kotoko ya sisi ya me ni gina eja me report enso edi ebremu Tuesday no omo eba na recovery training enti on betin so mpumu na ade ema omkoko mi kanka tene be ya se player bi plaque to bi ehye no ho a obetimi a recover na wetimi agire ma training atwa so edi amakro bi kuma se Asante Kotoko ahead of baby go start Mediama Sporting Club game ebe koso on Sunday e watakwa TNA Park na say TNA stadium na Tuesday no trainer omo eye no na players ni na fit say okay say Albert Amwa any Emmanuel entry echo Black Galaxies echo boy and Tuesday no almost returning to the camp omo eye training edema Krobio Kumase Asante Kotoko Wednesday no we morning and then evening it's a chance Kotoko and ya brese game omo ekwakobo against Mediama Sporting Club no a game a here one pa because this year so we share league log and so on as a table no so near lady table no ekuta 30 points Kotoko ekuta 27 points which is a game say a 3 points different it is omo really omo a game now say Pando Heart of Lions a lose game omo about a number with the points now I can last game you first round no enti ukwada no omo eye first session anopano ana enumere no so omo san so eye Thursday Kotoko eye training na Thursday training na Kotoko eye no min kan na dawo na training no annual day na olu se Kotoko any baby no go start so mubu sa game no na Albert Amwa any camp because na osebo on my concrete Ghana enti na akọ Nigeria or can the Black Galaxy which is the local Black Stars one Ogusua no ogwa or minor though yentimi and really qualify to the tournament but Abrante no ko born home a game among any Nigeria boy na Kwame Poku signing the contract e de makro bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebra no no Kotoko team no aye training sa that game against the Benin Gold Stars no unya a goal. Now after the game no na fans no doubt it and say a big thing and Kwame Poku any Albert Amua abo at the same time because Kwame Poku scoring ability no the same thing and Albert Amua and so it was ideal but Thursday train na Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko you know the actually say two players no ebetimi abo at the same time when we say coach Prosper na Teogum you shoot two players no front line at the Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko na ahunkeka na players no the training no what we say Thursday no ana Justice Blay extending the contract or the 1.5 year kind of contract or extending the contract and so at the corner na any year na Justice Nkunku Blay the training no minka and that down fans yin nyan say Henry Kwame Ansu any Samuel Tenedu after some of you Kotoko team no na omo different club na omo ekobo zone but and here you know say mpanyinfo mo Kotoko team no mo na omo mpena so say a man team you no be call na Thursday trainer Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko ewo age no na emrantie no eje serie ani die ahoka ahoden bibia edi training no enti hu Samuel Tenedua ana Sam Tenedua na oye training ewo ahoden mu sanso na Henry Kwame Ansu no so training enso ewo ahoden mu Mohamed Kamara training sanso na other players Basambo O'Neil any your friend is saying Emmanuel Nchia Mufi Black Galaxies Ebaye any Albert Amua Patrick Asiedu all the squad omo training player mehuno ewo ho on Thursday Baba Yaya but the say na no ho do kakra na enye serious bia na no ho na do kakra enti Baba Yaya eba beka eka ho a ene omo eko ewo takwa no makwa kwekire mu na Yakopon ya adoma Sunday omo si akan e dia makro bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko na mehu Felix Kasari captain for Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko also mehu no the whole of this week here Abrante no entimi enye training and from our Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko also information na ye gather from painful din komo na still almost no do kakra no want to do before say you go baby ni Gold Stars game no na Abrante still na no onye strong it is a baby ni Gold Stars game na obeya warm up now so when me NC akan na your friend squad na coach Prosper na Togum kwa kwashia baby ni Gold Stars no na Abrante your friend Ferry Kasari captain for Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko na on count into training na Thursday na course no na on count the whole of the week no ene trainer course so ewo age no na Abrante your friend Ferry Kasari and ka ho ewo hono into Thursday training na course no na serious training and the Makotoko team no omu che team ni mu mienu omu the junior side no ebe ka the reserves for no omo bench no and a first level no coach Prosper Nate Okum and so select one na Mohamed Kamara Edapol Justice Blay Eginem Patrick Asiedu any other players no me hu Samson Eduku are no oye training edi Makotoko nti se obi ka wa bonten se Samson Eduku eni Kotoko campa ye kan sisu biem se oboa Abrante no Kotoko campa ogusu a oye training edi Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the oye training just as Isaac Minta ana went to me anye training and for Makotoko but still na Abrante no and so e training grounds are now no so ehwe enyemam na Thursday Nana Apenka Kontomponi after it yene what you say we head of IMC Kotoko IMC na our training grounds it's not just say game omo ekwakobo ewo takwa a serious game at the Macrobio Kumase Asante Kotoko. Though Mediama Sporting Club as a coach, but still Sokotoko to Ebia, one Renas Adiayomo, in Timpin when an up in car, Honum, Sir Obeta, Omochi, Sanso, and a technical director, Malik Jabel, no one also training grounds, and now coach Aquasipia, now also or Thursday, some American, now coach Aquasipia, and so training grounds are also air chasse, Crobio Kumasias and Tekotoko, players will be okay ahead of gamer, and also now any Friday, dear. And the Friday, dear, at the Musonko. At the Musonko, reach the Kotoko, Timono, Omania Bresse, or Mobile League another season. And paying for me, boom, with Dina, and no one has also a camp. Almost also training grounds are, or more air shake game when maybe Nana Pin Crown Hall, Sanso and a technical director, Malik Jabel, now also our honor, it was Frempong. It was Frempong. Ono Kotoko, sign on Naka, youth team assistant coach, no also training grounds are, also Boise de Beja, Kobio Kumasia San, take Kotoko Timono, and so betting a Gina, that game or more Pacobo and Tapano, or Motimi a really Mediama Sporting Club. It's in for you, in the Sunday. They say no pictures be. I hope that a good screen as well. I have one a should be. Yes, that it was Frempong. Eka nti emos frempon ene na o training grounds are ono ehwe so be ebe kama koto campaign for coaches any the technical staff ni na ene the wood opia our training grounds ene na eye ni gisem kese e de ma Albert Amwa na ya Albert Amwa birthday nti fan kese pa Mr. Danapia, yes, Mr. Apia e buy at the cake at the bread Albert Amwa with training grounds. And see now Albert Amwa the end of the day. And to already cake in Uria, no that what I quite said your friend is a Mediama Sporting Club. And see and I know promising or promising Kotokotimono. And no the promises in now at the bread Crobio Kumasias and Tekotokotimina. Now also say share your friend is saying I can't how to focus. Over 1,000 Ghana cedis, or the Sikane buyer, Sanso Enna or Gifty, Albert Amwa, or my birthday cake, and at the same time, was also a dashing amount, a share the boom, kama, and so on. And also, Mantino, a good training. Set pieces in the
if we mind all.
Or promising team, so over 1,000.
Okay.
Or promising team, no. So we win game now, over 1,000. Yes, the 1,000 cities, no. Yes, in ya. It was the team, no. Emma Muji and Kama, and so our honor. Now, and the training now, Crobio Kumasias and Tikoko, a year, you know, on which him to say near Thursday, a boy. Now, before some be training the Reno, now, youth team, no. Youth team, no. Asia kind. Omone Georgia FC.
Okay.
Now, Star Bakwe PA in Free Kotoko Junior side, no. Star. A brand of Bonahum Wadin. Oku school. Yes. This year, no, we. No, Ogusuko, Tiamas.
Okay.
It's just 16 years. The friend of Jordan Emisa. When you're the first debut against. Yes, Emisa, we are the first debut. Edema Kotoko senior team against Bichim United. Kotoko Echo Bichim United. And we are the first debut. Edema Krobio Kumasias and Tekotoko team. Now, Kotoko youth team, friendly game jump people beyond branch in the school. And the Kotoko youth team, if we need a goal to nail, a branch in the shares our goal. Edema Kotoko youth team. And I will back training like Endra. And I said, she go be now supporters are more baho on by age of a share. Giving a no beer born in the same demand a crowd. And see what or your star. Now, if you want to areas and come for a branch, a crowning column, but since you are Kotoko, a woman junior team or more friendly games in the year. For me, the mean what is any question on my branch and a call. because baby kotoko senior team no be a waka bi oni avoka omuka ho that boy no mo fe no your friend say Lami Jamal no yes abranten woni bone bo and then me obi dim come say yeah obeye the left footed obe bokotoko 7 years pa because how abranten bone bo akra no bone bo no a good edema kotoko team no it's players ni na training and umuche they said yeah Thursday no we na a boy Kwame Poku etima Albert Amua a boy sha
yeah enti na bibia kwaso kama o nanaba okay enti nanaba Kwame Gracious and now the update ni nyina no tujwa e de amaya ochirem emienya ne se bibia etudwa kama most especially na ye can say awoda kese nso e de ma player friends Albert Amwa e ma bibia etudwa kama right after a nonsense no na or chain players na omo available bibia no etudwa kama e wo muhwem Isaac branch friends Freddy Kasare and na ba chire mu so no de absent enti ye the squad na ba tudwa squad no ye de ba tudwa ama ye team for ye hwese ye besanya na ba once again na fi watimi awi adwuma no ama ye na yakoya nim ewom live ewo GH live
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Okay, enti ye twaso nana ba temenka
metonka pa metonka
ye twaso enti twaso fu bia odru ye na
aha enti sina na me kana kotoko team no omutu mu sa ema players and boys ni na etinemu esi akan enso wede ma so mu training perfect sisi amene o ka se prebie ni kotoko team ni mu prebie ni kotoko team ni mu kotoko players ni na fit kotoko team no players omu na fit omu na fit yes omu ede kwa kushia Mediama Sporting Club a black kotoko chire honom dia obia e honom Samba Winno Joseph Ablo a friend saying Patrick Kasidu
any Henry Ansu bia
any Lord Amua obia ye fit yes obem film honzo so players ye fit informed in team men or ye fit a brand any fit na endra a GBC kotoko training wa mamen kan tell na omu ebo konaki na omu bo konaki bi ana sabu no e pin inside ana team men nya ball no o di komunika na kwase ball no na o sa ball ni wie no enye ball na kwase no ho asem na me ye you but the way na players no ATV na omu esre efa no e chese team no enkabuma bem send it to them one thing say players no and a win pay asem and a win you see no win you see since the big what he said omu na esre no no so sre omu bobo mu esre di komo e go ta omu ye training na nti the players so kotoko team na this yes enkabum no aba
okay nana
enkab ontina yes nti ashanse na Kwame Poku signing a contract no or can be say the relationship with players any technical team no and you're strong or no be any problem or the players will be any problem or you can the correct kotoko team no relationship no and you're strong how friendship are at here any be come and go and after training won't say we you like now yet it will be at the no omu na fa ko dim komo sare bo bomu because omu enya break their plan say I was say this season here omu eji Ghana Premier League no it kotoko training na omu aye from Tuesday at the Friday here we pia aye kama na and before say me do baby no o hwe kotoko training omu ye ya any images of the Sunday one na won say kotoko omu training kit no I say it's different fufra omo ediaba into omo the new life and osha and sounds green no aha men colors no green and black no and the new life no edi a rim ewo takwa no be kwa share Mediama Sporting Club into Mediama Sporting Club and Asante Kotoko game no a very crucial game and we know say Kobe Kumasi Asante Kotoko will carry the day because of the heater and the trainer on the cool.
But yenya dwuma we ansa na wo kɔ no Samuel Tinedu oni Henry Yansu ya to omo nse Tinedu sɛ ankasa na ne training grounds so na nim city ene say the situation na si kɔ no sɛ na nneɛma esi kɔ ema Tinedu.
Okay, on say Samuel Tinedu no oyetia enye se bia me the detail me yetia pa ana ni true in afu but on say play bi obi won say nanim fu saa na umme na unne se bia emune bia banani but Samuel Tinedu ni mente saa after sema ko costo on say na time ani e break kotokubu games e watakwan obuase no sorry obuase no na obuase fans no ekasa because na coach for so that ugu enter you so Samuel Tinedu ntino na omone coach no enya ntokwane enyema kakaka but still a brand you know train na way no e just say na ni di wo team no mo just that playing time no okay when your timer ananko okay but after you see na because kono commissary but everything ever I'm also a player. I'm going to take a cotton. He said, "Okay, bad."
What the training this week? Now, I can already improve.
I'm also. One time, I said, "Tell you, or more, I'm more than 50 honor."
Okay,
tell you any training, you know, but any Thursday, no, not only Henry Camions, a kiddo. At the bench side, yes, reserve side no. No, and it's not on the right back. Yes, no, right back was it. So then you make a two and you will not board the possible in the pass, and you know him already. How or passing the ball, and I know the gym. Or the A training macro Kumasi and into the Beyonce side. The Beyonce just that no or her and could bring a team for Bianco for a loan, which will fit him or could loan. Nank will not playing time so that always be a bit building a confidence for some little cities. And about Kumasi and take on a corner. We not time to play every year kind and some crucial game. Yes.
Ntima no nyina na si bo so nti enya me wanwa se ono oyere ne hu ya ne body bo air course no be pagya na watimi ababe part of the squad 11 no. Sure.
Trainer a branch no you know there exercise the bia a branch ne nyabre yes akada ne nyabre se obebo Kobe Kumasi Asante Kotoko team enti the facial expression anyhow we get the training BBR Abranton, he is ready for Kobe Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and he wants to continue for Kobe Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Nanaba, you better say, na Igabu Abaso, you be French Rabia, Watapa, no Adama, na or the Asumia, na Wadaroma, Yatwaso, Aquarium, Nabibia, Ayakama.
Mostly, I'm about to make the CDano. Young fan coming on with you for.
Thank you so much. Nanaba Kwame Gracious, and Century. Ya signing no ewa Ghana say oni Asante Kotoko bobo no echi MINT ba bia obehu sa Kotoko nam bia no abranche enso edi akire bi for GH Live Studios Ghana's number 1 me ba cho yenhwa die squad coach Prosper Night Ogum ayi wo mu a waka mu nyina bom no do mu ekwa akopiem obia ye friend say takwa ne na abo so na TNA stadium ho no bibia wie pɛ no Abrantie Mrantie de didi so Pitami du akwa Kobi Intimanu ebe Kobi Lord Amwa Joseph Ablo Baba Yaya Dauda Saka and of course Samba One Justice Blay Emmanuel Kote Kamara Mohammed ebe Kobi and young fan to just say Benjamin Chum. Or also back squad and Benjamin Chum, goalkeeper. Kotoko Echo Farnum, Eddie Free, I think Young Apostles, yes. Yes, a hono Kachi, even so Echo are most likely obey to me at Tana bench. Na bibia to me every kunim so. Obeka last game no Fatao na Tana bench. Fatao was a good training part this week. Or also call Kobia is a back beer. Na chum at me at Tana bench, na Kamara, Ada, na Tina, no Eddie, free mu eba. Na a branch and a ding, a date, she said. If it's chamber for none of the donor kakra, but also na hotona ba ama squad elkono, or also asking for a room kama okobie. When your first 11 ba squad elko and I'm D2 anymore. Tene do someone ebe kobi. Akwada obo juvenile side na gamer woman George FC boy o she go no. Amisa Jordan ebe kobi. Sanso and a Fernando. Yet Alatanino Nigeria ni sube kobi Korte Emmanuel kobi. Samson Amadi Nkanka Patrick Asia Dunini Lord Amwadi Omujinam Pampe and no Chumwa Yadima in a chief for now the likely a unison goalkeeper Nidin Eddie Frederick Asari and a squad Yasha Bass in Mudia no young Tinamunes and nay on Kobe and a week young Kasano on Shada and your training. I'm say according to Panyufon almost say Nahoto Tonica Cranty squad and on a media man Mohammed Kamara Emmanuel Korte Justice Blade. Samba will not doubt that Saka, Elvis Che, Baba Yahaya, Joseph Ablo, Lord Amwa, and Timanu Peter Medu, and Omo Eka Kujinamua, and Yaketwakra, Patrick Asiedu, what he has Madin Kanka, or also Ewum, and Yaketwakra, na after Branton Dean Eddie Benjamin Chum, one also Ebekahu Akubia, Obetimi Ameki, the Debbie, and also Bettina Tina Bench, Eddie Amasante Kotoko, and no Eddie Freeman, Toja. Jordan Amisa Ebekobi Tenedu Kobi Sansuna Ansu Henry Ebeko na afenso Fernando Ansu Egremu Akobi Akwadan ndidi Vitus Avocano ononso Ebekobia we yesianfo ahodo coach and din Ede Prosper Nete Ogum ayi wo ma dumbe dumia wo mo de kwa koshia Mediama Sporting Club onso wo so aye training very serious one enya keto akra na so mo pa mom coach there. Now, so your last day of the training, you know, Wamukokunya, the test of the and also the feel of the park and the share. Emma Bia, friends, set Takwa and our boss stadium, mono, Wamo Echo Tutu, Mika, crack, Hodoma. According to Yanians and training on also El Chromo report or the Mayano, Wamosu players, no good one. I have poised for action. So many Sante Kotoko at a boss who are Mediama camp, no, almost so up to the task. Injury, and shada any omo campo cry, said the Kotokonso. Omo injury any omo camp no accept a branch and the area Saria ne hodo no me pa cho na baba ya yan so hodo no baba ya ehwo atona squad no wa make we any chemu a asat now yenima na chief exclusively GH Live Studios Ghana's numero 1 Asante Kotoko training schedule hodo mu ye Greek nyina and yetimi akabom na yede ama kama abon tofa kwan so was Samri Akwantimpong Road no so. And a Mediama so the Ekakra Moyoye, a Kokonya, the feel of the park, Takwano, TNA Park Stadium, and as a stadium on. And also, Yeri Atu and him kama. One players need up to the task. Ubia no wepra, Mediama players likewise Asante Kotoko, apart from Frederick Asaria, Omishino, Ebia Ontiminko, Enko Remubieno, Sapepe Penetia, Woma Kwa, Emmanuel Entry, no. One Abrante Abet Amwa, Omonso Asabekaho. Amane squad no womunyina ameki Emmanuel Entry any Abet Amwa Kwame Pokunum any adobia womunyina ekobia enya keto akra nchemu no ena ekire dia kai no yade atoso edi ama kama na GH Live Studios Ghana's numero 1. Don't forget it's a big family subscriber
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?